In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gmail account to Yahoo Mail. If you want to manage your messages more conveniently in one place, connecting your Gmail account to Yahoo Mail can be a helpful option. The process is quick, and once it's set up, Yahoo will be able to connect with your Google account using the permissions you approve. To begin, open your Yahoo Mail account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main Yahoo Mail screen, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find the navigation menu and additional options for your account. Next, look for the More Options icon and click it. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the settings area for your Yahoo Mail account, where you can manage several connected features and preferences. Inside Settings, go back to the left panel and click Contacts. In this section, you'll see options for linking contact sources and connected accounts. Look for the Gmail option, then click Connect. At this point, a small pop-up window will appear. Yahoo will now ask you to sign in with Google. If you already have a Google account signed in on your browser, you may be able to simply choose that account from the list. If not, click Use another account and enter your Gmail address and password in the Google sign-in window. After signing in, Google will show you the access that Yahoo is requesting. Take a moment to review those permissions carefully so you understand what Yahoo will be able to access. If everything looks correct, click Continue to approve the connection. Once you do that, the Gmail account will be linked to Yahoo Mail and the setup is complete. If the pop-up doesn't appear right away, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, since that can sometimes interrupt the sign-in process. It also helps to double-check that you're entering the correct Google account if you manage more than one. And that's it. You've successfully added your Gmail account to Yahoo Mail. Now you can keep things more organized by connecting your accounts through Yahoo's settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.